town 2 years ago and moved on up to Idaho, but swore that I'd be back again, pick up where I left off, old man. Left behind some lovely ladies, grown-up sexy Texas babies. I got back in town tonight, anticipating much delight. And I thought I'd start a fire, so here we go. Sexy little fire couldn't blow my mind. I'm just a bad reminder. Well, there's a lot of town, dirt road where I left off, oh, with some of my old flames. All my old flames have new names. Well, there's a lot of them who tied the knot. I settled down, I thought I'd start